Okay. Hello, dear friends. Google. Yes, it is here. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Just had my hair cut. And I think it's good. And now it does not look that good, but if you put it back in a little bit, we will take care of the hair later on, okay? So first we will do the makeup. And I saw one YouTube video that some celebrity, they put some foundation on the face. So I was thinking maybe I should put some foundation also, because I do not have the right color foundation, so I use two colors, one darker one left one, one lighter one, and combine them together. And then just smear it around. That's okay. Give it a couple of minutes, and then I clean up my hand a little bit. So, put it back. Put it back in. And I think now we are ready to absorb, dried enough to do the next step. This one a little bit too light for my face, so I use one layer of it. Just lightly. Now I will use the color that meets me a little bit better. Now use a large brush. All over. tiny small palette of color. I think that is sufficient enough for my use. It's sufficient enough for my need. Smear it around and use a much lighter color. Smear it encore une fois, encore une fois, and some glittering. Then we clean it up. Then we do the eyebrow. I use the same eyeshadow and put some water on the Q-tip so it gets the color a little bit better. A little bit better. This time you do not need to care too much. This is overlapping a little bit. I am not trying to be Frida Kahlo. Just sometimes you are not Diego Rivera. I mean, no kidding, no joking around. Okay. So you can clean it up a little bit. And this time you understand you have got rid of maybe too much of the coloring. And your skin shows the background of colors. Put some. Then it evens out. Now we are almost done. Almost. So I have a very short eyebrow. Not very much I can do about, and accept it. So I accept that's how I look like. Now we try this color, the new color. It's very light, a bit too light. I feel this is a bit too light, so let's enhance it. Let's enhance it by putting some very strong color. And this is too strong. We will shimmer it out. We need to reduce a little bit. Now we are good. Put everything back in place. And wash my hand. So well. Okay, so this is what I do. When I go out to a public place, sometimes I wash my hand. Usually there is a hair blower or hand dryer. It's very noisy. I will tell you, I avoid using it. And also this, get my hair a little bit wet, a little bit refreshed, just water, and the hair becomes a bit heavy. So that helps shape some of the naughty part of the hair. And later it will tilt it up. It's okay. You are not perfect. You do not want to be perfect, right? And that's it. A little bit tilted. What can you do? That's it. And my my son said I look like the female football player hair. I like it. Bye bye friends. I love you. I really do.